Coronavirus has jittered people around the world. Concerns of health for oneself and family has emptied soaps, shampoos and sanitizer shelves. While hygiene products cash registers are ringing, it is also of concern how to survive shortage of these products. Wearing masks and frequently washing hands are two key ways of protecting yourself from coronavirus. So, in the meantime, you can make your own mask from your 2-ply kitchen towels or cotton cloth. If you use cloth, you need to wash them with disinfectant after each use. To make home sanitizers, you need 2/3 cup 99% rubbing alcohol plus 1/3 cup 100% aloe vera gel. Mix and pour it into your empty dispensing bottles. You can also add 8 to 10 drops of any essential oil for smell. Take care of your hygiene and avoid COVID-19.